in the field of hydrology, we know regarding the water cycle. And it was in 1580 where Sir Bernard Palissy, he discovered regarding the water cycle that the water, it evaporates from the oceans, it forms into clouds, and then later on it falls into the interior as rain, and then the water cycle is replenished, it is repeated. And the same process is repeated. When did you come to know this? In 1580. The glorious Qur'an talks about the water cycle in great detail in several verses in the glorious Qur'an. In Surah Al-Araf, chapter number 7, verse number 57. In Surah Al-Ra'd, chapter number 13, verse number 17. In Surah Al-Hijr, chapter number 15, verse number 22. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 18. In Surah Al-Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 43. In Surah Al-Furqan, chapter number 25, verse number 48 and 49. In Surah Al-Rum, chapter number 30, verse number 24. In Surah Al-Rum, chapter number 30, verse number 48. In Surah Al-Fatir, chapter number 35, verse number 9. In Surah Al-Yasin, chapter number 36, verse number 34. In Surah Al-Jasiyah, chapter number 45, verse number 5. In Surah Al-Zumur, chapter number 39, verse number 21. In Surah Al-Tariq, chapter number 86, verse number 11. In several places, you can go on and on giving only references where the glorious Qur'an talks about the water cycle in great detail. Who could have mentioned this in the glorious Qur'an 1400 years ago, which science has discovered recently in 1580? The atheist, he will give a long pause. Don't wait for the pause. Continue.